I applaud everybody who is attacking the church. The generator room of the thieves who are pillaging Nigeria and Africa needs to be set ablaze. You have to agree with that, right? Do you know what a generator room is? If you pack church, religion out of Nigeria tomorrow now, Ogugu. So attack them, bring out truths about them, all hands on deck, on your camera, and curse that establishment to the hearing of Ofufe spirits. Kwao kanse. Onye ọbụla were ọnụ gị kwao kanse. Igbo niile bụ dibia, everybody ya akọnwụ nsị. Kwa nsị. Mepe ọnụ gị kwa nsị. The other day, an ordinary blog suggested that we'll bring out an online register to allow people come out and report the sexual abuse they've experienced in the hands of the church. Starting with during block raising and maybe picking at priests fucking children. In the East, Boston, right? That famous report showed that thousands of male priests rape thousands of male children, fam. You can be sure that that number is in the millions in Nigeria. Parents won't even report, right? They probably even feel God favored them and their son got raped by a holy dick, and they will now send you to seminary now so that you go and be close to all the holy body parts out there. Listen up, Jesus. It's a lot of your priests fucking a lot of your boys. I applaud whoever now call council. You see, use holy as maze as your go for tutorial. You know I go more. You want your holy as maze in the background. When I go for then you chop away ola. You know we are all night. Then you knock on a shower. More above in a like he meditate. Maybe now me yoga. You bunny in the background. Delay no do no more. No you more called. Dalu.